So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use your mobile hotspot on your Roku TV to stream. So let's say you have a problem with Wi-Fi, or your Wi-Fi is not working for some reason, but you do have mobile internet data, okay, on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. Here's how to share your phone's internet with your Roku TV. Now for this example, I'll be using an iPhone 15 Pro, but of course it's more or less the same instructions for any phone. So what you want to do is go to your phone settings and then go to personal hotspot, turn that on. Okay, now with hotspot turned on, at least I know the name of my hotspot, which is the name of my iPhone, and the password. Okay, now again, you can do this even on an Android phone. So if you're on Android, just go to your Android phone. This is a Samsung phone, and what you want to do is go to settings, go to connections, and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering, and enable your mobile hotspot. Okay, now I don't have a SIM card here, but that's basically how to enable it. Just turn that on. Okay, so once you enable mobile hotspot, it's time to go to your Roku TV and connect to that mobile hotspot. So on the Roku, go to settings. Under settings, go to network, and then go to setup connection. Select that. Now my Roku only has wireless, so I'll choose wireless. Even if your Roku has other like Ethernet or wired connection, choose wireless. And then it's going to scan for available wireless networks or Wi-Fi networks. Your hotspot should be among the discovered Wi-Fi networks. There you go. So as you can see, I have these three networks discovered. I still don't have my hotspot here, so let's try to disable and enable again. So turn it off and on again, and then on the Roku, let's scan again to see all networks. Okay, let's give it a moment. And finally, as you can see, my iPhone has been detected. So that's my iPhone. So all I need to do is press on it to connect. It's going to ask for the password. The password should be on your phone. So for instance, on my iPhone, this is my password. So I'll just go ahead and connect. After typing the password, just select connect. And now it's attempting to connect to that hotspot Wi-Fi. There you go, connection successful. And as you can see, now we are connected to that iPhone and we are connected to the internet. So now you can go to YouTube or any streaming platform and use the internet from your phone hotspot. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.